Hi, to auto-detect workouts on your Amazfit T-Rex free, as a first step, just find and open this Zap app on your phone. And of course, make sure that your watch is connected to this app. Now, make sure to select Device tab, and here we need to find Device Settings. Because after that, we need to select Workout, and then find Workout Detection. So make sure to enable alert here so the switcher will be in this right position. Then go in category and simply pick from what type of workouts you wanna receive auto detection. For example, walking, outdoor running, and let's enable pool swimming. And we can actually select pool size and then use this back arrow to save changes. Then you can go in sensitivity and also adjust it. You can pick high sensitivity if your watch got some troubles with auto-detecting your workouts. But please note that exercise auto-detection may not work 100% accurately. This just depends on the form of exercise execution and conditions. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.